To stack coupons on Shein, start by accessing the website or app and signing in. Then, tap on the Me option, usually located in the corner of the section, and select My Reference from the available options. Here, you can find your reference code or input a new one, as there are no restrictions on how many times you can use it. After confirming your reference code, proceed to your cart and checkout page for the product you wish to purchase. On the payment section, click the Apply Coupon button. Select the coupon you want to apply, or manually input your coupon code and tap Apply. This process allows you to use your reference code and stack more coupons. If you have a pending checkout order, you can add another reference code after 9 days and continue stacking coupons to earn more points and save money. Simply check the website, collect points, and enjoy the benefits.